Hello, this is Tom Sillis, wetcrow.com. This title of this video is Billionaire Traits Experience's Best Teacher. I'm going to tell you something I learned over the years. There's no doubt that experience is your best teacher. One of the things you want to do is, I think you knew this, but this is true though. You learn things by doing them. This builds experience. The only thing I can teach you in this book is where to go get specialized information. Timing is everything. I'm going to tell you that much. I created a bill pay service in 2009. 2000, but it was too early for the market. Later on, the bank started giving it for free. So there you go. It wasn't going to work. And that's going to happen to you. Those things happen. Beyond that, if you have experience as a good product manager, you have the ability to raise funds quickly. You can take a product to market quickly and massively scale it. Because the main thing you got to remember, I always say that, you got to massively scale. So that's how you get ahead. If you have experience, sales experience is number one key. Sales experience, and good leadership skills can make you a billionaire much faster. Okay, these are the skills you're going to need to get ahead. You need to have sales skills, marketing knowledge, raising capital, negotiation skills, building your network, leadership, and people skills. Okay. Now, these I talk about, these are standard things. If you want to become a billionaire, you got to have these skills. I always talk about it throughout my book. I talk about it in my videos. I think you already know it, but, it's just, and you got to be able to manage money correctly. That's another thing. You got to know not to overspend. A lot of startups fail because they have a high burn rate. They burn out too quickly. They spend their money. And then they're like little kids in a candy store. They got the money, they spend it. Okay, don't do that. You got to respect money, number one, okay? You got to know how to scale quickly. You got to take massive action. What I do in my business, it's a platform for home services. We go out there and I have a junior achievement. Go out there and throw door hangers on doors. As primitive as, that's a small business thing to do, but you know what? It works. It gets customers to go on our platform. We do it all over the country. So now we got, we're a $200 billion company now, and 90 days ago, we were crap. Okay, so don't ever tell me you can't do it. A lot of it is due to experience because I've done a lot of these things before, so I learned how to do them. Oh yeah, I can do that. When you see it again, you already know that it works. Okay, so I think you learned a lot from that. Now, as a surprise for sticking it out, I'm going to give you a free digital currency. Register on the site. And what's going to happen, you'll get an email in 2 weeks with how to register the code, because we haven't finished that page yet. You'll be able to register your code for digital currency. As you know, it's based on commodities. It doubles every 5 years approximately. Now it's probably a little faster, but when the market was, when the interest rates were low, it was probably doubling every 7 years. That's how it goes. So you figure every 5 years on average, your money's going to double. If your cost of living doubles, everything you buy doubles. That's because of the commodities and precious metals doubling. Okay, so we're going to make you money. That's going to force you to save. When you shop on our site, buy a service or whatever, we're going to have grocery delivery and food delivery soon. So when you start doing that, you're going to get 2% back on that. So we know a lot of customers use those services. So we know you're going to make money with us if you join us. So register, join us. We'll send you an email. We don't spam you, just so you know. You're going to get an email from us once every 2 weeks on average. If there's a marketing email, transactional is different. If you buy every day, you're going to get an email every day. But that's separate from the marketing email. So that's pretty much it. We want you to join us. We're going to make money. I'll help you make money if you listen. I'll give you a lot of ideas and go from there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oh, the code. Let me give you the code before I forget. It's 100. It's 100XYZ. 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 Put it in your pocket on a piece of paper. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget below to put a comment below that I subscribe, because you'll get extra currency. We get $30 worth, so it's going to be, you might get $40. So it's worth to do that. Okay, that you subscribe, and we do this every week, by the way. So you watch my other videos. We tell you usually up front, and you're going to be able to watch and learn. Okay, I thought that originally this was supposed to be a short, but I couldn't get enough information to make it worth anything. So now it's a long video, okay, but it's only going to be until now. So again, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the other side.